Welcome to my channel, Ola Hustle. So today we are going to be talking on how to buy your NFTs. Most people are saying they don't know how to get their NFT. So today I'll be showing you guys how to get your NFTs. Please stick to the video, watch to the end, so don't miss any part, so to not affect you. So let's start. First, you have to install an app. You are going to need like two apps, which is OpenSea and MetaMask. I'm going to be dropping the name of the apps in the description this thing in case you not grab it during the video. So you go to your Play Store or your App Store. Me, I'm using Android. You use your Play Store. If you're using Android, use the App Store. If you're using iOS or iPhone, so you search for OpenSea. OpenSea. Sorry, mistake. OpenSea. As you already seen, it is already installed in my phone. Yes, it's not much, just like 13 MB or 14 MB. So the next one, you are going to install MetaMask. Look at this, I've already installed my MetaMask. So they are going to create accounts in this tool. So if you want to learn how to create accounts with any of them, you can just, I'll be dropping another video on how to open a MetaMask account and an OpenSea account. So just watch the video from there. Thank you. So you click on your OpenSea. When you log in into your MetaMask, all you have to do is to connect your OpenSea wallet to your MetaMask wallet. They are going to be showing you some things here. As you can see, these are a list of NFTs that are making profit. Now, as you can see, big property here. Yeah, all these are vendors. Let's check out this one. Yeah, I've already connected my wallet, so it will be very easy for me to get anyone. See it. This one is selling for 0.0098 ish. It depends on the kind of NFT. You have to look for all these news, so you know when the NFT want to rise or when it want to fall, all these kind of things. See, as you can see, click on buy now. Okay, when you click on buy now, you have to have like some ETH in your, they don't need to buy now because there's some harmful apps in my phone. So if you click on buy now, you have to have this amount of this Ethereum. This is a $1 Ethereum. You have to have the amount in your MetaMask wallet. So when you buy it from here, this will not appear. The NFT will not appear in your MetaMask wallet. Let me show you where to show. As my own, there's nothing like, I've not even bought anything. This is just a new account. I've not bought anything yet, so is everything is empty. I will not be showing guys my main account for security reasons and purposes. So you let it load. You put your pin or your fingerprint, anyone you feel that is nice. You let it load. It when you buy the NFTs, you see this place there wrote NFTs. You click on it. You click on it. So to now switch, see no NFT here. If you bought any NFT from the OpenSea, it will be showing in this place. This is the place we should be showing right here. So if you know you found this video interesting, please kindly like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.